Good morning, dear students of St. Andrew's School. I hope you are staying at home and staying safe. Today we will study at mathematics, and this is chapter number 12, and name of this chapter is money. Okay, students, in this chapter we are going to discuss about money. Students, we use money to buy things. Okay, in India, money is found in the form of rupees and paise, which are found in the form of notes and coins. Students, we write rupees for rupees. Okay, students, we write this sign for rupees and this sign for paise. Okay, students, here are coins we use. This is a coins of 1 rupees, and this is a coins of 2 rupees, and this is a coin of 5 rupee, and this is a coin of 10 rupee. Here are coins we use. Students, this is 5 rupees, and this is 10 rupees, and this is 20 rupees, and this is a 50 rupees, and this is a note of 100 rupees, and this is a note of 200 rupees, and this is a note of 500 rupee. Okay, students, now we will understand about changing money. Students, we can change 1 rupees coin for 2 50 paise coins. Okay, meaning 50 paise plus 50 paise equal to 100 paise. Okay, and we know that very well, 1 rupees equal to 100 paise. Okay, students, we can change 5 rupee coin or note for 2 rupee coin and 2 1 and 2 rupee coins and plus 1 rupee coin. Okay, I repeat it again. Students, we can change 5 rupee coin or note for 1 and 2 rupee coin and plus 1 rupee coin. Okay, got it, students? And another examples are, we can change 10 rupee coin for 2 5 rupees coins. Okay, and students, always remember 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Okay, got it? Now students, we will understand about addition of money. Students, question is, Rohit had saved 30 rupees and his mother gave him 30 rupees. Sorry, his mother gave him 13 rupees more. He wants to know how much money he has now. Okay, students, for this he adds the two amounts, 30 rupees and 13 rupees. Okay, 30 rupees and 13 rupees. Okay, so students, first we will arrange 30 rupees and 13 rupees in column like this. Okay, students, first we will add 0 ones and 3 ones, then we get 3 ones, so we will write here 3 under ones column. Okay, and after this, now we will add 3 tens plus 1 tens, then we get 4 tens, so we will write 4 under tens column. So answer is 43 rupees. Okay, so Rohit now has 43 rupees in all. Got it, students? Now students, we will understand about subtraction of money. Okay, question is, Ankur saved 52 rupees of his pocket money. He spent 36 rupees on some snacks and he want to know how much money he has left. For students, for this he subtracts one amount from the other. Okay, students, in this question we have to subtract 36 rupees from 52. So first we will arrange 52 rupees and 36 rupees in column like this way. Okay, first we will add 2 ones plus 6 ones, then we get 8. Sorry students, now we will subtract 36 from 52. Okay, and students, we know that very well. It is impossible to subtract 6 from 2. Okay, so students, we will take one carry from 5. Okay, then 50 rupees will change, 52 rupees will change in 4 tens and 12 ones. Okay, I repeat it again students, when we will carry 1 from 5 tens. Okay students, when we will take 1 carry from 5, then 52 rupees will change in 4 tens and 12 ones. Okay, now we can easily subtract 36 rupees from 4 tens and 12 ones. Okay, so let us subtract students. When we will subtract 6 ones from 12 ones, then we get 6 ones, so we will write here 6 in ones column. Now students, we will subtract 4 tens from 3 tens, then we get 1 tens, so we will write here 1 under tens column. So answer is 16 rupees. Okay, Ankur has 16 rupees left. Okay, so students, if you have understood all these facts, then you can solve chapter money very easily. Okay, so you will solve chapter number 12 money in homework. Okay, got it? Now students, come to page number 124, and this is mental maths question, and this is revision exercise of chapter 12. Name is money. Okay, so students, you will solve this exercise yourself in homework. Okay, got it? Now students, come to next chapter. This is chapter number 13. Name of this chapter is data handling. Okay, first question is, Ashish has marbles of different colors. He has arranged them in groups according to color. Question is, how many green marbles are there? Okay, first question is, how many green marbles are there? Okay, and students, this is a group of green marble. So students, let us count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, so total number of marble is 11. So students, we will write here 11. Okay, so there are 11 green marbles. Okay, and students, question number second and question number third, you will answer yourself like first question. Okay, by observing this picture. Okay, got it? Now students, come to page number 126. Exercise name is assess yourself. On Sunday evening, Sonia visited a park. Look at the scene of the park and fill in the blanks. Okay, students, there are 1, 2, 3, okay, and 4, 5 boys. Okay, so we will fill here 5 boys playing cricket. Okay, so we will write here 5 boys. Okay, so students, observe this picture and answer the given questions, and then fill in the blank. Okay, so students, this is very easy exercise and you can do it very easily. So solve this exercise or this chapter yourself in homework. Okay, got it? In this chapter, students, first you will observe picture and then you will answer the question. Okay, this is very easy, so you can do it very easily. Okay, so students, you will solve chapter number 13. Name of this chapter is data handling. Okay, you will solve this chapter in homework. Got it? Thank you and have a nice day.